Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW such as 3 Series guys, E90, E91, 92, 93 and you guys experiencing rough idle, stay with us guys and we'll explain what can lead to rough idle guys and the most common reasons that we actually observed here in the shop guys. Quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 free repair videos. Specifically on that BMW 3 Series here guys, we have more than 400 to 500 free repair videos provided to you guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys so we can keep providing that free information. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts or tools for your BMW, check out the link in the description of the video below and we'll share it for you guys for your convenience, so please check it out. This specifically here guys, it's a 2006 BMW 325, but actually the procedure will work on multiple models. It will work on 328, even guys it will work on the ones with the 4-cylinder engines guys, because the procedure is almost the same. Things to look for guys: super weak spot. Okay, let's start with, okay, this is your air filter box here. From the air filter box you're going to have that intake boot that will go to the throttle body. Throttle body will be mounted to the intake manifold. Now, starting with the air filter box, dirty mass airflow sensor or mass airflow sensor that's not working correctly can lead to rough idle. That's one thing guys, but very common one now. Okay, make sure you stay with us, we'll share all of them. Very common one is that intake boot guys. Okay, this is towards the throttle body side. It will break, it will develop a leak, and somewhere here it will have a crack, and as a result guys, that crack, what will happen, the car will get some extra air through the crack, which is past the mass airflow sensor, and the engine computer will actually have no idea that the engine got some extra air. Why? Because this is the sensor here and everything. Okay, if you get a leak past that sensor, the computer doesn't know about it, it cannot measure, and as a result guys, your car will get more air, less fuel, and it can have experiencing rough idle, or the car guys not running at all, even dying, starting and dying. Another thing, dirty throttle body. We just clean ours guys. If the throttle body is dirty, you can have a carbon buildup here. As a result guys, the throttle body may not function correctly and the engine may get more air than it needs, and as a result again you will develop vacuum leak guys, and it will result in rough idle. This gasket right here, this is the gasket on the throttle body that attaches to the intake manifold. It's recommended to replace it every time. Make sure it's not too flat. If that gasket is leaking, the engine will get again extra air, which will result into rough idle guys. Another thing, intake manifold has a gasket on top. We'll have a video on the channel how to replace that gasket, and if that gasket is bad, again same thing will happen. Check all the vacuum hoses here guys that connect to the intake manifold. PCV hoses towards the back of the engine as well, because if any of those is bad, you can experiencing guys rough idle. So rough idle most likely guys means you have a vacuum leak somewhere and the car is getting more air than it should. And very common one guys, intake manifold boot. So check it out guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you need any parts, check out guys the links in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help and see you guys next time.